Hi there, folks. Moro here once again. Um, this is the Aussie dollar. I've been following this pair very closely recently, and I believe it was there was some nice price action going on this week, as well as from the beginning of the month, as you guys are gonna be probably seeing it. But anyways, there was an awesome trade this week that I covered it with one of my students that I have um, a nice setup. Um, Obviously, I spoke about the longer term setup already on the 4 hour daily time frame. But this particular setup I'm gonna show you guys that happened this week was a Quasimodo setup. As you guys can see probably here. Let me just highlight the area for you. So as you guys probably can see, there was a nice uh, low, then a high, then a lower low, then a return to a lower high for a drop. This Quasimodo formation was inside a much broader, much bigger consolidation. As you guys are gonna be able to see. But regardless, it was this was a great trade. I mean, it was well worth the risk. Um, um, and these kinds of setups they happen a lot. Um, and they work especially on the if the trend is obviously down, they work much better. So as you guys can see, this Quasimodo formation pattern, just incredible trade. Short right over here at the previous high or lower high, and yeah, a nice drop. Great trade. Um, um, Now moving on to the 4 hour time frame. The reason I took this trade that I mentioned today on my thread at fxgears.com, one of the reasons is and was because for me there's obviously a nice sell model, market maker sell model currently going on the Aussie dollar. As you guys can see, I'm going to show you probably you guys are going to be able to see it, but there was this consolidation right over here, then this other consolidation right over here. As you can see, price revisited the original consolidation. Let me just make this a different color, perhaps. Yeah. So price broke out from this first consolidation, retested it, went up, then consolidated a little further, little bigger consolidation as I mentioned before. Let me make this a different color. Pretty awesome price action, if you will. So this first consolidation breaks out, retests it, goes back up, then goes down again, and then it consolidates down here at the moment for a while. I mean, let me just make it a different color. Okay, so and obviously once these lows were taken out, it broke down, consolidated below this prior consolidation on the way up. So a very clear sell model, in my honest opinion, that made me short the Aussie dollar today. Very nice price action, I would say. So price was driven up, broke down market structure right over here, broke it once again, broke this order block right over here, excuse me, right over here, and then we should expect it to take these lows, go below these lows over here. This is at least what I expect looking at this kind of market structure. Right now, a very clear sell model in my opinion for the Aussie dollar. Um, one other thing, probably very nice indication. If you take the very low to the very high, price just went in the 50% of this consolidation right over here. Pretty impressive, I would say. Um, and there was also a clear order block, 4-hour order block right over here, as you guys probably can see it. Very nice order block right over here. So a lot of ingredients to take this trade, and it's all a matter of studying price action, in my opinion. Very nice consolidation at the top. Very clear bearish order block, also responding within the sweet spot. If you were to use the lower the 79% retracement level 2. So yeah, all in all, it was a pretty nice trade in my honest opinion. Being able to recognize these kinds of patterns, I mean this price action, very clear sell model in my opinion. If we're able to recognize them in advance, we can pretty much anticipate things that go on. Yeah, so this is what I had for you guys regarding the Aussie dollar. Very nice things happening on this pair this week. Yeah, I just hope price keeps going down, and this becomes a very nice trade as I expect it to be. Yeah. Alright guys, so this is it for today. I'll talk to you guys later. Have a nice one. Bye-bye.